Hello guys, I am Manshul Srivastav and today I am going to solve the homework force question given by Ajit sir. So I have already written the question here and first we need to assume that let x, y, z be the coordinates of the corner of the box that is inscribed in an ellipsoid. Thus, x, y, z greater than 0 and equation of the ellipsoid is x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. Now the given equation, we will divide it by 36 in each side. Therefore, we'll get x square by 4 plus y square by 1 plus z square by 9 equal to 1. Now this can be rewritten in terms of this equation where a square is equal to 4, y square is equal to 1 and b square is equal to 1 and c square is equal to 9. Therefore we will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 3. So now we will write this in terms of z. Therefore z square by c square, we will write this equation. Z square by c square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square minus y square by b square. Therefore z is equal to c 1 minus x square by a square minus y square by b square under root. Now the volume of the box is represented as V is equal to 2x, 2y, 2z. V is equal to 8xy and z we will write in terms of xy where we have calculated. So c 1 minus x square by a square minus y square by b square under root. Now since there is a square root here, so it will be very difficult to calculate the partial derivative. So instead we will square both sides, so it will get easier. So 8 will turn into 64c square and x square y square we will multiply in inverse, so I am doing it as a whole, so skipping the basic step. So x square y square minus x 4y square minus x square y4 by b square. So Now since v is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0, or x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, the maximum value of v square and hence of v will occur at a critical point of v square. To find the critical point of the point, we have to find the partial derivative of this. So basically we just have to find the partial derivative of this with respect to x and then with respect to y, and then equate both to 0 to find the critical points x and y. So del v square by, just a sec. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance. Del v square by del x is equal to 128c square xy square. I am doing it directly. 1 minus 2x square by a square minus y square by b square. Our second equation, and similarly del v square by del y, doing it directly, we'll get 128 c square x square y 1 minus x square by a square and 2y square by b square. Our third equation. Now just equate both to 0. So when we equate it to 0, when we equate the x part, so we'll get 1 minus 2x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 0. Since this is equal to 0, then 0 by 0 is equal to this, then we are left out with this only. So 2x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Our fourth equation. And similarly, when we do this, we'll obtain x square by a square plus 2y square by b square equal to 1. Fifth equation. Now since they are both equating to 1, then we'll compare both and then we'll try to solve this. So when we solve this, 2x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to x square by a square plus 2y square by b square, we'll get x square by a square is equal to 1 by 3, which implies that x is equal to a by root 3. And since here we calculated a as 2, therefore x is equal to 2 by root 3. And y is equal to y square by b square is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore it implies y is equal to b we have calculated as 1. So it's 1 by root 3. Now volume is equal to 2x, 2y and 2z. Or v is equal to 8xyc. We have derived it here where this equation for v. So 8xyc 1 minus x square by a square minus y square by b square. When we put this value we'll get V is equal to 8 ABC. So 8 ABC by 3 root 3, and when we put the values of A, B and C here, I derived this by putting x square by a square as 1 by 3 and y square by b square as 1 by 3. So when we put the values here, we'll get 8 ABC by 3 root 3, and when we put the values of a, b and c respectively here, we'll get 8 into 2 into 1 into 3 by 3 root 3. So 16 by root 3 is our answer. Therefore, V is equal to 16 by root 3. Just a confirmation, C equal to 3. Yeah, we obtain V is equal to 16 by 3. Hence, volume of largest box is equal to 16 by root 3. Thank you.